This is Project Mr. O, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's exact specification. Mr. O is painted in full gloss night mission green with silver accents all round. Mr. O sits on 16-inch wolf steel wheels with a body coloured centre on BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 also features a silver metal mesh front grille, LED clear lights all round and fold down side steps. Inside, Mr. O is packed with custom features such as moss green and brown tweed headliner framed in leather, custom Wengi wood in the load area, personalised monogram on the front seats, and small satchel style bags stitched to the front door cards finished in suede with leather straps in Copenhagen leather. This D90 also features an Exmoor Williams steering wheel with classic magnolia gauges, 2 Recaro heated and ventilated front seats, and 2 inward facing benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in a vintage fluted style Spinneybeck Copenhagen leather, stitched together in cream. This D90 is powered by our GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Mr. O also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and rear AC.